There's 3.
Nice shooting, guys.
Sweet. Good opening morning for me, son. Nothing like wood duck.
Big group, big group, big group.
Big group.
Josh, be still. Josh, be still. Hang on. Hang on.
What are those? Right here in front, right here in front.
Right here in front.
Hold on, let him come, let him come. Bust him.
I'm gonna catch him.
Good shooting.
Here they come. Here they come.
How heavy you at, man?
I need 3 shells.
Here they come.
That's it.
Right down.
Right here. Hang on. Hang on. Here they come. Right here in front.
Right here in front, right?
Hang on.
Don't. Coming over.
You ready, Alan?
Just single from the right.
Right at us.
Here he is, here he is. Here he comes. Be still, Jim. Good shot.
Nice shot, Josh.
2 right here.
2 right here, coming at us.
Here, grab him.
Right here. Good, our dad beat him.
Where is right here? Coming back.
In the corner.
Right in front, guys.
Right there.
Alan. Dang.
Here we go. Here we go.
Right here. Jump.
Hup.
Kill the drakes.
We need to do that. I gotta have that on film. Don't be able to
I
believe it.
mean, it's the truth. It's nuts.
Don't believe
Look
it.
at this.
Look right here.
This is not even duck cooking. It's just duck cooking.
Now, if you see
Hey. Yeah.
Somebody
Be still.
needs-
Be still. Somebody needs to take the phone out and text Jeff Cullen and say, we're done. That way I can say
Bring in.
where are they?
Right here.
So we have just agreed that, we're not going to talk about it a lot with people,
Oklahoma again.
So what do you think about this?
Folks, this is the first time ever I've come on a duck hunting trip and never once pick up a duck call simply because I didn't have time. It's shoot, reload, and shoot as quick as you can do it.
I do believe this is the Cadillac of duck hunting.
It's absolutely nuts.
Thanks to Outdoor Dreams Adventures. Thank you, guys.
Big thanks
Problem.
to those guys.
Shall we do it in Oklahoma, baby?
Coming in.
Please have green on your head.
Woods.
Woods.
Whoa. Oh, look at that. There's a drake right on the water. Didn't even see it sitting
Yeah, I
there.
was filming him.
Wonder if that was our lone shoveler from the other morning.
Could have been.
What were those other ones?
Yeah, I think there were ducks.
Just be safe. Let's see what happens here.
Yep.
Hopefully we can find those other ducks back there.
Be still, be still.
Stay still.
Jim, be still.
Mallard, mallard. Hit him a little bit, hit him.
Well, that sounded like crap.
He's coming back around. Hit him.
I can't see.
Be still.
No mallards in that. I think you can tilt that screen down.
Yeah.
Those wood ducks are too.
What next?
Video, yeah, I want you to film. This is Jim Newcomb with ShellShocked Outdoors. We've invited over here to Oklahoma. Brian Allen invited us over to their honey hole. This is results of it. Guys, we really appreciate it. Results of Outdoor Dreams Adventures. We really appreciate it, guys. Glad you had us over.
Thank you. Glad you got